Hello and welcome to Changfied YouTube channel news. I'm your host Changnyak, bringing you the latest stories from South Sudan. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any update on Changfied YouTube channel. Today we have three major stories. We are going to talk about humanitarian aid vehicle rob on Torit Makwi Road. And our second story will be South Sudanese judge received training on gender-based violence. And thirdly, we are going to talk about fresh clash around Morobo between government forces and SPLA-IO under Dr. Machar. Stay tuned as we go deep into each story, share background reaction and what it means for the people. Please make sure you comment and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. On Tuesday morning, September 17, 2025, a humanitarian vehicle traveling from Makwi to Torit in eastern Equatorial State were attacked by army men. The incident happened along the Torit Makwi Road. The vehicle belonged to Caritas Torit and Save the Children. Local officials said the first vehicle was stopped by 10 army robbers. The attacker took away mobile phone, laptop, and money from the aid workers. When other vehicle tried to escape by turning back, they also fell into an ambush and were robbed. Luckily, no one was killed or injured. The attack happened between 11 a.m. and 12 noon, according to Torit County Commissioner Christopher Andrew. Security forces were later deployed, but by the time they arrived, the attacker had already disappeared into the bush. The commissioner reassured the public that patrol had been increased along both the Torit Makwi and Torit Juba Road. The situation is now calm and people can use the road again, he said. Authorities suspect the attacker came from the Greater Pibor administrative area. However, officials from Pibor quickly denied any involvement. Jacob Werishum Juk, the Minister of Information for Greater Pibor administrative area, said, "We are not part of that incident. Our youths did not cross into eastern Equatoria. We don't have youths in the bush setting up ambushes. These accusations are false," he said. Civil society activists strongly condemned the attack. Lazarus Xavier said that from the Support Peace Initiative for Development said, "This is very unfortunate. It hinders service delivery to communities in need. Humanitarian workers need full protection." South Sudan is known as one of the most dangerous countries in the world for aid workers. Reports show that more than 38 workers have been abducted this year alone, double the number from last year. These attacks are not just crime against individuals, they directly affect the delivery of food, medicine, and education to people who are already suffering. If aid workers do not feel safe, humanitarian service is stopped, and ordinary people, especially children, can pay the price. The government of South Sudan must do more to protect aid workers. If humanitarian organizations pull out, people will face hunger, disease, and more suffering. This is not just about a stolen phone and laptop, it is about the survival of vulnerable families. In our second story tonight, train it on gender-based violence cases. In Juba, a very important workshop has begun. The Center for Inclusive Governance, Peace and Justice, known as CIGPJ, has started a 3-day training for High Court judges and migrants. The training focused on handling gender-based violence cases and transitional justice. About 30 judicial officers from Juba and several states are attending. Why these trainings matter? Many survivors of gender-based violence, including women and girls who suffered during the conflict, struggle to find justice. The executive director of CIGPJ, Jacqueline Nasiwa, say most survivors want justice and legal remedies. Our peace agreement includes a chapter that focuses on transitional justice, which cover gender-based violence. She explained that survivors must be at the center of justice process, and their voices must be heard. The training is also teaching judges about survivor-centered approaches, confidentiality, ethics, and protection of victims. One participant said, a voice from workshop, they say this training is important because judges are the ones who make the final decision on the fate of survivor and their pursuit of justice. Sheila Ketarus, a senior women protection advisor from UNIMIS, added survivor-centered justice means prioritizing the right, need, and dignity of survivor. A survivor must be treated with respect throughout the justice process. Currently, South Sudan has only one GBV, a gender-based violence court, located in Juba. Many survivors in other states cannot access it. The plan is to extend training to more judges so that justice can reach everywhere. Supreme Court Judge Stephen Simon Benjogwa, representing the Chief Justice, told his colleagues, "It is the policy of the judiciary that judges must continue learning. New crimes are emerging and we must be prepared for them." The training is a positive step, but training alone is not enough. Survivor needs safe space, a strong law and justice system that work for them. We also need to fight the stigma and protect civilian and protect children. Children born of wartime rape who often face rejection from their own communities. We have another top story. This is a breaking news. To the security situation, on the morning of September 17, which is today, 2025, heavy clash broke out around Morobo County. According to report, the South Sudan People Defense Forces left Morobo and Kaya at 7 a.m. to attack SPLIO opposition near Yondu. But the attack did not go as planned. SPLIO forces ambushed the government soldier and defeated them. SPLIO spokesperson Colonel Lampol Gabriel said the attack was revenge for a clash that happened on Sunday, September 14th. In that earlier battle, an SSPDF commander and several soldiers were killed. SPLIO claimed to have recovered 15 AK-47 rifle, 1 PKM machine gun, and 12 government bodies left behind. Colonel Lam praised his force for their bravery and professionalism. The struggle continued, he said. What does this mean? This clashes show how fragile the peace is. Even though a peace deal exists, both sides still fight. Each battle leads to more death, more displacement, and more mistrust. People in Morobo and surrounding area are living in fear. Where clashes happen, civilians are often caught in the middle, losing their home, their farm, and sometimes their life. Well, South Sudan leaders must understand that ordinary people are tired of war. Revenge attack will not bring peace. Dialogue, compromise, and accountability are the only way forward. At this, and that brings us to the end of today's news. We covered a humanitarian vehicle robbed in eastern Equatoria, and judges receiving training on gender-based violence in Juba. Clash continue around Morobo. These stories show us the challenges South Sudan still faces: security threat, justice struggles, and humanitarian crisis, but they also show resilience as people continue to demand peace and accountability. Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel news. Please subscribe, like, and share this video so more people can stay informed. Leave your thought in the comment. Do you think the government is doing enough to protect aid worker, survivor of violence, and ordinary citizen? Until next time, this is Changfied signing off. Stay safe and keep hoping for the peace in South Sudan. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.